Rurenda maabitha a thirikari aria manirire mirugamo ya uteti matige wira niguo wikuirwo wa uhotekeku wao wa kuhuthira iturwa ciao guthoga githurano wehere. Batoni ya Ruto irauga ati honge imwe iria irarugamirirwo ni maabitha anene thirikari-ini aria mehandite thutha wa mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga ni cia bata hari gukinyaniria githurano kina uma na waragania na gukiri uguo ciagirire kurugamirirwo ni andu matari na ucuke. No ta uria marikto mohoro gitwairwo Nyambura aratariria atongoria maracukirwo matongoria ni minister wa ugitiri Dagitari Fred Matiang'i mogite gutire watho maunite tiga gukinyithia mwerekera uria maruteirwo nimo mandiki wira-ini wao na uteti-ini.
Akinyita ugeni atongoria dini kuma kaunti-ini ya Murang'a muciini gwake mwena wa Karen
Ngai no mwega.
Munini wa President Dagitari William Ruto na batuni yake marenda maabitha utungata wa muingi aria manirire miahu iria maranyita mbaru githurano-ini twerekeire matiga wira tondu gatiba nigiritie abitha wa thirikari kuingira uteti-ini.
You must decide whether you are going to serve the Kenyan people and prepare our next general elections together with IEBC in a non-partisan manner, or you are going to be agents and mobilizers of ODM and the opposition.
It should never happen, Your Excellency, that people who are serving the public take sides. We cannot trust them, we don't believe in them, because they have already branded themselves as ODM.
Atongoria aria morotetwo ni gukorwo kambeini ya mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga kumwe makirwo maroria muingi ugetikira kumuthukira wira wa gutongoria thirikari thutha wa President Uhuru Kenyatta ni hamwe na Minister wa Ugitiri Dagitari Fred Matiang'i, Peter Munya wa urimi, Mutahi Kagwe wa ugima wa mwiri, Joe Mucheru wa ukinyaniria, Eugene Wamalwa wa ugitiri wa mihaka gatagati-ini ka maabitha angi aikiro itiganite.
Kama ni mambo ya siasa, when my president takes a position, I queue behind my president.
Sisi mawaziri ni watu wa mkono wa Uhuru Kenyatta. We are appointed to assist the president. Sasa kama you have been appointed to assist the president, can you resist that president?
Akasema Kibaki tosha. Si ndio? Si wakisi Kibaki ni wa kutoka kwetu. Ndio. Si ni jirani yangu pale Udhaya?
Yes.
Na hiyo hatuwezi kusahau.
Mwahu wa munini wa president unyitirire ati mwerekera-ini wa githurano kinene kiria twerekeire ofici mwire nyitirirwo ni maabitha aria urekwira ni cia bata hari gukinyaniria githurano kigwitikirikana mari no cuke uyu no matume andu amwe mage umiriru wa waragania githurano-ini.
Step aside, allow non-partisan independent body to conduct elections, because once that happens, the Kenyans are going to have faith in the electoral system.
And we also demand that this time round, IEBC should be the one to be giving directions to our police officers who will be seconded to IEBC. They should be the people in charge of the ICT and the entire preparation of the general election.
I want to suggest to His Excellency, asitafute legacy mbali. Let His Excellency make his legacy peaceful transition of one presidency to another.
Munini wa president anyitirire ati gutire kindu gikuinainia itanya riake ria gutongoria bururi makiria hari gutigirira ati ngombo iria ciraheo onjoria nini ni ciahoroherio gikiro kia iguru kia njoherera guteithiriria biacara ici ciirugamie.
We must fix the system and remove predatory lenders so that everybody, especially the small borrowers, wanaweza kupata pesa ya kuinua biashara yao.
Gerifotera Inoro TV Jetagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.
Na nĩ wega mũno mũndũ gwĩtwo Waweru wa Nyambura nĩ ũndũ wa riboti yaku. Riboti yaku nĩyo yatũtirihĩra